Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be doing a review on a universal folding cell phone and tablet stand. This is actually pretty cool. This is the product. Nothing to it, real simple. We'll do the unboxing right now because it's just a stand, but it works really well. It's nice and stiff, so you stick this like so, and then you stick your cell phone in here or tablet or whatever it is. But what's really unique about the stand is that rubber grips on the inside of this, which is really, really nice, and it'll prevent the cell phone from sliding. I like that. It's a really rubbery grip. Really impressive. It has the same thing for the feet as well, for the bottom base. So this will prevent this from sliding around or whatever. And it looks really nice. Or you can do a vertical. And you can also handle tablets and stuff as well, which is great. So I really like this product. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Be sure to share this video, and be sure to like it as well. Thank you. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. For the price difference between the two,